Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to our new YouTube channel, Aku English with Oromic or with Afaan Oromoo. I'm Aku. Aku School of American and British Language is one of the best language school in Ballerobe town. At Aku, we can help you to improve your English and communication skill within a great confidence to achieve your goal. So, what exactly do you want to achieve your goal? Is that miscellaneous communication?
Grammar,
Open free switch.
Proverbs,
vocabulary,
Speaking skill.
writing skill,
Phrasal verbs.
pronunciation,
spelling bee,
Tongue twister. Listening skill.
reading skill,
Idioms. Talk show.
quotes,
spelling game.
Daily report.
Short drama is like
So, please join our YouTube channel and keep learning American and British English language. But before that, I want to warn you something. You know what? Stay safe from bad coronavirus and study English at your home from our YouTube channel. See ya on our YouTube channel.
We are students of Aku Future Generation Hub School.